Hey, friends, it's Mrs. Olin, and I wanted to come to you today and talk to you a little bit about your spelling words. I have some special rules and some ways to help you remember how to spell some of these words. Now, this week we're talking about blends again. We talked about how blends were two letters that each get to say their own sound. So we have a gr, gr, we have sp. You hear both the letters sp, and we have dr, dr. All right, our first spelling word is going to be dra, ah, p, drop. So we have our dra. Now, sometimes people go, their dra almost sounds like a j, j. So be careful that you're doing a dra, not a j, j. Drop. It's not drop. Dra, drop, dra, ah. For our next spelling word, we're just changing one vowel, drop, to drip, drip, drip. All right, now we're going to change one of our blends to have a sp, I, n, spin. So our I is still the same, sp, in. So we have our in, spin. Now, here comes one of the rules that I wanted to share with you. When we've talked about what a syllable is, remember a syllable is a word or part of a word with one vowel sound. And so when I think of this word spin, it has just one vowel sound. You hear the I. When you, at the end of a one syllable word, after one short vowel, you're going to double the F, L, S, and Z, like Jeff, will, pass, buzz. So this is called our floss rule. Have you guys heard of floss? Like maybe with Fortnite and there's a dance? Well, I can't do the dance very well, so I use my arms. So I would say at the end of a one syllable word after one short vowel, you double the F, L, S, Z. So you think of the floss dance, but it's F, L, S, Z. And when you double it, that just means you're going to put two of them. You'll have two F's, but they still just say F. So we have our F, we have our O, we have our S, and our Z. So this is our floss rule. So for this word, we're going to have the L. We're going to double the L for sp, ill. At the end of a one syllable word after one short vowel, you double the F, L. Ooh, I've got to double that L for sp, ill, spill. I need two L's. There's another floss rule in our words this week. This time we're going to have gra, ah, s. So at the end of a one syllable word after one short vowel, you double the F, L, S. Oh, I'm going to double that S. Grass, grass. There's two S's, grass. I don't say grass. I just say it like there's one S. But when you spell it, you have to have both of them because of our floss rule. So grass, grass. And now we have another word that is going to be on your spelling list. This one's a little bit easier. This one is grab, grab, grab. Okay, so these are our blends that we're talking about this week. There's a couple more words I wanted to talk with you about. One of them has to do with this letter. This is the letter V. And I have a rule for the letter V. No English word ends in V. It's always followed by a silent E. I'm going to say that again. This says V. No English word ends in V, always followed by a silent E. So your word this week, your spelling word, is move. Now, when we have the word move, there's an E at the end. Usually that E is for the vowel, and it would hop over the consonant, tell this vowel, say your name. The E is for the V. So it's not mauve. It's because no English word ends in V. It's always followed by a silent E. That's why move has an E at the end, because of the V. Move. And the O, it's not saying ah, it's not saying oh, it's saying something else. It's going ooh, but your mouth still kind of makes that ooh sound, that ooh shape. So it's move. But no English word ends in V. It's always followed by a silent E. So that's going to help us be able to spell move. I have one more word that I'm going to show you. It's the word two, but it's the number two. It can be super confusing to know which two you mean. Because you might say, I'm going to the store. You might say, I want to go to, which means you want to go also, or it might be the number two. This is the number two. And I want to show you a little trick that I use to remember how to spell the number two. I take 1, 2 fingers, 1, 2, and then I spell it out, T-W-O, 2. So I have 1, 2, T-W-O, 2. That's how I spell the number 2. One more time, T-W-O, 2. That's the number 2. All right, so let's go over our words again one more time. We have drop. We have drip, dr. We have spin, in. We have ill. There's our floss rule, our double L at the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel. You double the FL. So we have spill. We have ass. More of our floss rule. At the end of a one-syllable word after one short vowel, you double the FLS. Oh, there's an S. I need to double it. I need 2 of them. So here's the word grass. Here's grab, move. Oh, here's our rule for V. No English word ends in V, always followed by a silent E. Move. And here's our 2. We have our 1, 2 fingers, T-W-O, 2. All right, friends, these are your spelling words for this week. Keep working on them and think about those spelling rules so that you'll be able to spell like a champ. All right, you guys have a fantastic week. I'll see you later. Bye.